Hi, welcome to Methinks. In this video, I will walk you through how to apply for a Methinks project. Before we start, make sure you remember the name of the gig so that you can apply for it in the app. In this case, our gig is called Educational Website Test and Survey for Students. Below is where you can find the gig description and task. Please follow the next steps on your mobile phone. To get started, click on Accept an App and you will be directed to the App Store. This is our Methinks Thinker app, where thousands of participants like yourself have profiles that enable you to apply for numerous remote research projects. Click Download, and once it's completed, select Open. Here it is, our Methinks Thinker app. These are pages that explain how the app works. Now we are ready to start. Click on Sign Up. Here you can choose to sign up with social profiles, or you can also sign up by manually adding your email and password. Next, you can start entering your information. Enter your full name, and you can choose if you want to add a profile picture now or later. You can also choose to enable your notification settings and location if you wish. Congrats! Now you have a Methinks profile. This is what your app home looks like. Here you can find information about upcoming appointments and your profile details. First, we want to build our core profile so that we can start applying for gigs. To start, let's click the top right arrow on your app, which will take us to the profile building section. As you can see, there are many profile sections that you can complete in order to offer project moderators more information about yourself, which can be helpful for them when targeting a specific audience. But for now, we will click on Core Profile. This section is the essential profile information you need to fill out in order to apply for gigs. Here is some information about how Methinks profile sections work. Click Next and start filling out your information, and once you are done, we will automatically update your profile with the information you provided. Now that we filled out our core profile section, we can go ahead and start applying for gigs. To start, click on Paid Gigs. Here is where we can find all gigs available to apply. This is where it is important to remember the gig title at the beginning of this video. Now we are going to click on the project that we are interested in. In this case, Educational Website Test and Survey for Students. So let's select this gig. Here you can find once more all the information and details about this project. Click on Apply and you will be sent to the screener questions for this gig. Finish answering the questions. And there we go, we finished applying for our first Methinks research project. A moderator will now review your application, and you should receive a notification shortly if you are selected to participate in this research project. If you wish, you can click Share and you will be able to share this gig link with your friends. If you want to know more about other paid gigs, always keep an eye out for the Paid Gigs section or enable notifications on your app, and you will receive notifications when Methinks is recruiting for a new research project. Thanks for thinking with us.